If you've ever tried connecting Zoho Books with another app or building automation, you already know. Nothing works without the API key. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to get your Zoho Books API key in the updated interface step by step without confusion. By the end of this video, you'll have your API key ready to use for integrations, custom apps, or automation tools. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. Once you're on the homepage, click the Sign In button at the top right. Make sure you log into the correct Zoho account, the one that has admin or developer permissions, because only those roles have access to API settings. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your Zoho Books dashboard. From here, look for the Developer Resources section. Inside that, you'll find the Zoho REST APIs option. This is where Zoho stores all the tools related to API access and integration. Next, click on Zoho Developer. Once you do that, hit the Access Zoho Developer button to enter the Zoho Developer portal. This area is specifically designed for developers and admins to manage API keys, authentication tokens, and integration settings. Inside the developer portal, locate the Explore APIs option, then select Explore REST APIs. This will open the complete list of APIs available across all Zoho applications. Scroll through the list until you find Zoho Books. Once you select Zoho Books, you'll see an option to generate your API key or authentication token. Click the Generate button, and Zoho will provide your unique API key. Make sure to copy and store it somewhere secure. This key is what your apps and integrations will use to communicate with Zoho Books. And that's it. You've successfully generated your Zoho Books API key using the latest interface. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick, clear, and updated tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.